Hello everyone, this is Sushupthi and Koushik from Section 12, roll number 21EE10073. Today, I'm going to present my second DIY assignment, that is burglar alarm, which I've designed using the Tinkercad software. The components that I've made use of to design this are Arduino Uno, ultrasonic distance sensor, piezo, potentiometer, three 300 ohm resistors, one yellow LED and one red LED, one oscilloscope, and two multimeters, one to measure voltage across yellow LED and one to measure current across red LED. Here, this is the circuit diagram of the burglar alarm. According to this, when the object is above 100 centimeters and below 200 centimeters from the ultrasonic distance sensor, then the yellow LED starts glowing. And when it is below 100 centimeter and above 0 centimeters, the red LED starts glowing, and the piezo also is put to high and it starts making sound. When I start simulating it, here the distance, as you can see, is 218.3. So when I bring it below 200, you can see that the yellow LED has started glowing, and it's around 1.97 voltage across the yellow LED. When I bring it below 100, you can see you observe that the red LED had started glowing and the piezo was also started, and the current was around 8.58 across the red LED. Now I stop simulating this, and here's the code and the logic that I've used to design this. The condition that I've made use of is when it is greater than 100 and less than 200 centimeters. This pin 5, which is the yellow LED, is put to high. And when it is less than 100 and greater than 0, the speaker as well as the red LED, which is pin 4, is put to high. Now I copy this whole code and paste it in the Arduino IDE. Here I've already pasted it. When I compile this, you can see it is successfully compiled with no errors. Thank you.